Watch me go down to the floor. Watch me go down to the floor. Watch me go down to the floor. Wanna trip, 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 trip. Watch me go down to the floor. Watch me go down to the floor. Watch me go down to the floor. Wanna trip, 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 trip. Watch me go down to the floor. Watch me go down to the floor. Watch me go down to the floor. When I trap, 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 trap.
All good things must come to an end. So this is the closing session of SQL Day 2025. And I wanted to say that we had, these are the stats from the Hoover application. So we had 740 people using or having account in Hoover and here, and then 177 remotely. We also had like 15 people attending only precons. So in total we had 55, or sorry, there were more, 10 more, so 25 were only for workshops. So, and then I was looking on last year's numbers, so similar number of people used actually Hoover application, but you have to remember every agenda change, announcements, they are there. So next year, make sure that you're going to use this. You were also less active on messaging, because last year you've sent over 2,000 messages. But maybe you were chatting more in Foyers. And then you can also have a look at the application. There are 86 photos submitted. So these are the moments that you can remind yourself. And first, I wanted to say big thank you for our sponsors again. And I want to invite, just for a few words, Woodler.
Thank you, Hubert. Hi, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the conference. So on behalf of the whole Woodler team, I would like to thank everybody who come to our stand to see our monitoring solution. We definitely look forward to working with some of you in the near future. Also, thank you for everybody who came to my session yesterday. I hope you enjoyed that one as well. And we've donated some bags of goodies for the Shellers game. These are prizes for the runners-up, since the winner gets the nicest
Free
prize.
entry,
yeah. Yeah, we have some gifts for the runners-up, and please visit our website. You have some videos and demos of our software there. You can also request access to our demo instance, where you can actually interact with the software and see it. So feel free to drop us an email, and we will definitely be back next year.
Thanks, Emil.
Nasledano.
Thank you, Woodler. And do we have anybody from Datumo? Yeah! Big shout out to Datumo.
What an amazing event it was. Thank you very much for all being here. We were super proud to being part of our team, and we are really devoted to contribute into data community as well. So many thanks to all of you who come across our booth, shared your ideas about building data platforms. And if you are willing to check more about us, just go to our website, datumo.io. And if you are willing to join to our team, check datumo.io/career and look for the open positions. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Emil. And I thank the rest of sponsors. There were many of them this year, but they are not only the ones that I want to say thanks, because please come forward, all the volunteers that they were helping and organizers, please come forward to the stage. Come on, stand up and come on. All of you, come. Program committee too. Program committee too. And you see, that's not easy job to manage all these people. So I would like to say thank you as you attend this. Without you, there would be no conference, of course. I would like to say big thank you to all the speakers who were sharing their experience, their knowledge, their passion with us. And I want to say thank you to all of these people who made this possible. Thank you very much. So now I would like volunteers to stand up on those two aisles. Organizers, you can sit down and we will start our trivia game very, very soon. But before, I wanted to say that we had, you were using that conference application and you were sending messages, setting up discussion topics and so on. So you were earning points. And the most active person was Mateusz Mosakowski. Mateusz, are you here? He's online. Wow, he had plenty of time. So he achieved 67,800 points, and his prize is 100% discount code for next year's SQL Day. Congratulations, Mateusz. And the next thing is I wanted to ask 3 people to come forward. Katarzyna, Nazar, and Agata. Are you here? Okay, come on. Okay, we will contact the other people, but look at this person. Congratulations. You were the most active person on casino games. And the price is 50% discount for the next year's conference. So, shout out. So now it's the time. Shelor, can you come forward? Because this is, this is your work, your duty.
You can share this duty.
Yes, we will.
Perfect.
Give me a sec. I'll launch. Okay. Here we go. So, if you don't know, you have to stand up now.
That was the easy part.
Yeah. Let me check if it works. Yes. Okay. So Shelor will explain the rules. Can we set the lights on?
Please.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Perfect. So the rules are not that hard actually. The most important part is to distinguish between left and right. And we will practice this. It can be tricky. So there will be questions, yes, no questions.
Actually, two answers, yeah?
Yeah,
not necessarily yes, no.
Select one answer by raising the right or the... So again, that's the left,
yes,
yeah? And that's the right one. Left or right hand up and keep it,
in the air. After you answer a question, you keep it in the air.
So we will check. So no switches. no cheating at all. And if your answer is right, you will be able to continue the game. Just you will
Standing,
keep,
yeah?
Yeah. The other people will unfortunately have to sit down.
Yes, and rest.
And yeah. And as there will be harder and harder questions, probably majority of people will sit down. At the end, the top 10 or so will invite you to the scene here. And the final round will be performed
Here in the front of a scene.
in front of us. Is everything clear? So if it's clear, rise up your...
Okay. Warm up. Please raise your left hand. Okay. So you stay in the game. And first question. DC stands for Data Community or Developers Club?
Okay, we are watching.
Yes, this is Data Community.
Perfect.
Okay, next question. OData stands for Open Data Protocol or Object Data Protocol? Tricky question, yeah? It's Open Data Protocol.
So if you are right, okay. If you select the wrong answer, please sit down. It's a fair game, like in casino.
Okay, HTTP 400 says that something unexpected happened on server side or request side. The category question was easy, so
Yeah, warm up. And the
it's on the request side. Ooh. So how many people do we have standing? Still more than 10, yeah?
okay.
So in SQL Server, we can use partitioning types, list, range, and hash. Yes or no?
Okay.
Is everybody with their
Yes.
hands up?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
The hash was the tricky part, I think.
Okay, how many people do we have standing? Is it more than 10?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, come forward. Whoever is standing, please come forward. So this year's questions are taken from speakers, so they can be hard on you.
That was quick.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah.
In front of the scene, yeah? Here on the floor.
Okay.
So, I think that you've already won something. So, if that makes you happy, that's good. Another round. How does Power BI Copilot ensures quality in the DAX code it outputs? Using DAX parser to validate syntax and structure, or a natural language spell checker to adjust formatting and spelling?
Please, choose your destiny.
That was also easy.
Yeah. Come on. Okay. Okay. Left or right?
Okay, so it's a DAX parser. Please stay, maybe here on the side, and Tomek will help you with the prize selection. Maybe stop here, because we have 3 people here. Okay, I know what to do.
Okay, good to know.
Okay, a landing zone is an architecture for adopting a cloud environment. True or false? Yes. Metrics created in metric sets are a new item in a Power BI semantic model. True or false? Metrics. Very good. Down. No, there's nothing like that. Okay, please come here.
So the final round.
Tomek, dla tych trzech osób będą już rzeczy tu w tych torbach, czyli Piotr, this is for you. Okay, what would be the easiest way to get a count of stored procedure executions from extended events? Use histogram as the output, anything other than saying histogram.
You know extended events.
Let's go. Histogram. Okay, and that means it's over. Which means, give it to me. So, who was the winner? Konrad, come over. So, this one is for you. And we will send you also the 100% discount code for the next year's SQL Day. Do you want to see other questions?
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
So,
1 sec.
how many?
20, around 20.
Okay.
Why can float produce different results for the same operation? Because SQL Server sums randomly, or because rounding depends on operation order. Of course, this was about operation order. What is the name of end-to-end solution for event-driven and streaming data scenarios to Microsoft Fabric? Is it real-time analytics or real-time intelligence?
I mean now.
Tricky one, yeah?
Yes.
It's real-time intelligence. If you want to take database backup from your Azure SQL service and restore it to SQL Server on-prem, what can you do this with? Yeah, is it Azure SQL Managed Instance or Azure SQL Database? It's Managed Instance.
Yes.
What is the name of the solution to accelerate Fabric Platform Administrator Monitoring? Is it Fabric Control Tower or Fabric Unified Admin Monitoring? It's Admin Monitoring. What does the MMM acronym mean? Marketing Mix Modeling or Media Multimodal Model? It's Marketing Mix Modeling. So, can you access the data that's being replicated when you enable the Fabric BCDR setting? Yes, the data is available for querying. No, it's replicated to a secondary region, but it's not accessible.
Okay.
What was the last SQL Server version that included 32-bit edition? Was it 2008 R2 or 2012? That was 2008 R2. A data API builder are Swagger and Banana Cake Pop UI are only in host mode equal prod. True or false? False. What is the name of the algorithm that SQL Server uses for the approximate percentile functions? Is it hyperlog? Log? Or KLL sketch? It's KAL sketch. Mirroring is a concept of replicating data from source of your choice into the Microsoft Fabric's OneLake Delta Parquet for analytical purposes. Which Microsoft SQL products support this capability? Is it Azure SQL Database or SQL Database in Fabric, Azure SQL Database, Azure SQL Managed Instance, and SQL Server 2025? Yes, all of these. What trace flag is needed to enable locked pages on standard edition of SQL Server? Is it 845 or 876? What do you think? That's 845. And the last one, what is the default maximum number of entries in SQL Server procedure cache? Is it 160,036 or 640 and 4? Is it that big or that small? It's actually a bit smaller. So, thank you for Sheller's trivia, Scheller. Thank you. Thanks, Emil. So, what's next? Of course, we have meetings. For those who are keeping asking me when the Warsaw meeting is going to happen, on 22nd. So it's in a little bit over 1 week, and we will announce it tomorrow morning as the latest. And we've got SQLDay Lite. I mixed the year. 2025, not in October 24, but October 25. Yes, and we of course are organizing SQLDay 2026. It's going to happen between 11th and the 13th of May here in Wrocław. And guess who is going to be here?
Ciao friends, I'm glad to announce that next year I will be at SQLDays 2026. Enjoy, ducks!
Yes, we will see Marco Russo, also Pete Hein and Simon. Pete Hein is somebody who will be very good for architects, so all data architects are welcome next year. And we have a guy who is concentrated on Databricks. He's Simon Whiteley from Advanced Analytics. He's very good. You can see his videos on YouTube. He's a good educator in Databricks. So we have a strong stars for next year. So see you next year. Thank you very much. And have a safe trip home.